The beauty of the Easter season, spring blooms in a polychromatic harmony, sweetened up with just a touch of candy. Let's take a look at the mechanics. To begin, you'll need 2 vessels. I started with a footed trifle bowl, and then I have a flower vase tucked inside. I haven't added water yet. Thinking about my Fibonacci, so those of you that are advanced students, you understand, adding about 1 inch of jelly beans to begin. Now some dropped inside the center vase, so I have to pull those out and spread it out. Checking the height, and just a little bit more. Once you have your base, go back with Peeps, yes, the perfect Easter candy, and nestle those in, creating a ring all the way around. Again, making sure none of the candy goes into the central base, keeping it all on the outside. Then add water, and you're ready for flowers. As you add water, make sure you don't splash the candy. Keep it all in the center. And don't feel so full that it'll splash over the sides. You want just enough to keep the flowers fabulous. Then, taking a hand-tied bouquet, which I've already made this. If you'd like a tutorial on hand-tied bouquets, check us out at flowerschool.com. We have several. Then just set that in, nestling it down deep. You've got a perfect sweet Easter bouquet. The recipe, I went polychromatic so I could use all the colors in the rainbow. 2 packages of Peeps, 1 package of jelly beans. Then I used 3 ranunculus, 5 nerines, 3 freesia, 3 hyacinth, 3 hydrangea, 6 dubium, and several stems of pussy willow. But you could pick any blooms you love. Just plan for 15 to 20 in total. It's such fun to create for the Easter season. The flowers are blooming, so many choices, so many colors. You'll find so much more inspiration and education on the website at flowerschool.com. Feel free to go through. If you need to reach us, you can contact us through the website. Now it's your turn. Gather your candy, find the perfect bowl, and an inner liner, all your flowers. Then create a way. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see, and we all can see what you do as you do something you love.